Samsung made a lot of improvements to the outside of the Gear Fit 2. So, it's little surprise that its innards have received some love, too. On the hardware side of things, the Gear Fit 2 is a step up in nearly every way. Much like the Microsoft Band 2 shamed the first band, so Samsung's latest tracker also makes its predecessor look bad. Samsung Gear Fit 2. It features the same dual-core Exynos 3250 clocked at 1.6 GHz found in the Samsung Gear S2, way up from the custom M4 processor that ran at 160 MHz in the Samsung Gear Fit. Samsung Gear Fit 2 specs. Compatibility: phones running Android 4.4 Plus or iOS 9. Display: 1.5-inch touch curved AMOLED. CPU: dual-core 1 GHz. Storage: 4 GB. Battery life: 200 mAh, 3 to 4 days. IP rating: IP68. In another slightly embarrassing comparison, the Gear Fit 2 spanks it again with 512 MB RAM and 4 GB of onboard storage for music and installing Samsung-made apps in the near future. The previous Gear Fit came with 8 MB RAM and 16 MB of ROM storage. The Samsung Gear Fit 2 runs on Tizen, the company's own pride and joy of an operating system. Again, like with the Gear S2, opting for its own OS doesn't lead to more exclusivity in regards to the phones it can operate with, but less. As such, it works with any Android phone running KitKat or above. And recently, Samsung did iPhone users a favor and made it compatible with any phone running iOS 9 and above. While Samsung has opened the party to a greater audience, you'll need a few apps to get started. First off, the Samsung Gear app to set up and periodically update the Gear Fit 2 and another app, S-Health, to dig into your fitness metrics in more detail. And although setting things up is fairly simple, 2 apps required is one too many.